हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा चैप्टर है रियल नंबर्स। रियल नंबर दैट इज़ द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स। इस चैप्टर में हम बेसिकली जो पढ़ेंगे दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट इक्वल डिवीजन लेमा। इक्वल डिवीजन लेमा, इक्वल इज द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन एंड लेमा is already proof statements used to prove the other statements. For example, there is the 9. 9 is divided by 4. So 9 is written as 4 into 2 plus 1. That is A equal to 9, B equal to 4, Q equal to 2 and R remainder equal to 1. So in journal form we can write A equal to B Q plus R. A is positive integer where Q and R is the unique integer. So R is lie between 0 and B. It is less than B but greater than or equal to 0. So next, that is Euclid division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm, we know that the Euclid is the name of the person, and algorithm, it is the series of the steps to find the given number, to find the HCF of given numbers by the Euclid division lemma. So let A and B are the two positive integers. There are another integer that is Q and R. So A is written as BQ plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0 and less than B. So next, that is exercise 1.1, to find the HCF of the number 210 and 55 by using Euclid division lemma. So 210 is greater than 55. So why the Euclid division lemma? 210 is written as 55 into 3 plus 45. Again the 45 is not equal to 0, remainder is not equal to 0. So what we can do, we again divide it with 55 is divided by 45. So 55 is written as 45 into 1 plus 10. So now remainder is not equal to 0. So again 45 is divided by 10 using Euclid division lemma. So 45 is equal to 10 into 4 plus 5. And again remainder is not equal to 0. So 10 is divided by 5. So 10 equal to 5 into 2 plus 0. So that case, when the remainder is 0, so 5 is become the HCF of the two number, that is 210 and 55. And again the next question, there is Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer either in the form of Qm, 3Q, 3M, 3M plus M. The solution is that let A be the any positive integer. We can written is A equal to 3Q plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0 but less than 3. So A equal to 3Q plus R, where R equal to 0, 1, 2. So in first case A equal to 3Q, the remainder is 0, so we can write it A equal to 3Q. Now squaring both sides, A square equal to 3Q ka whole square. So it's become 9Q square, that is 3 into 3Q square. So 3Q square is written as M. So it's a 3M. In second case, A equal to 3Q plus 1. A square equal to 3Q plus 1 ka whole square. So that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1. From there, that is 3Q. From 9Q square and 6Q we can take 3 common. So it's become 3Q square plus 2. That is plus 1. That is 3M plus 1. So M equal to Q, 3Q plus 2. So hence in this form the square of any integer we can write 3m or 3m plus 1 for integers. In the next question, there is the member of 616s are marching behind the 32 band members. We have to find the maximum columns. So but in this case the numbers that is 616, and the another number is 32. There the members are 616, they are marching behind the 32 band members. So we find the HCF. The step first, 616, which is greater than 32. So equal division lemma, 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. So 8 is the remainder, which is not equal to 0. So we use the another steps. 32 is divided by 8. At there the R remainder is become 0. So it means the HCF is become 8. So maximum column there is used, that is 8. In the next question, show that the every positive odd integer in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. For that, what we can do, we use A equal to 6 cube plus R. The 6, because there is the 6 cube, so we can use there is 6 cube. So 6 cube plus R. So R is the remainder. So remainder is greater than equal to 0 but less than 6. It means R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So input these value consecutively is A equal to 6 cube plus R. So A equal to 6 cube, A equal to 6 cube plus 2, A equal to 6 cube plus 4, where R equal to 0 and R equal to 2 and R equal to 4. But in these cases, A equal to 6 cube plus 1, where R equal to 1, A equal to 6 cube plus 3, where R equal to 3, and A equal to 6 cube plus 5, where R equal to 5. So we know that 1, 3 and 5 are the odd number. So we can write A equal to 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 are the positive odd integers. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.